Hi, I'm Chef Raihan, and we're back to Satisfactory. Cook happy, cook healthy. And then today we're gonna make some creamy pesto pasta bakes. It's actually family dish or for gathering with some friend, hangouts and something. So we have the ingredients in here. We have salt, pepper, garlic, parmesan, olive oil, mozzarella cheese, basil, almond. First thing first, we're gonna boil the pasta. It is simple to boil, just you need the water and then some salt, and then we're gonna boil it for 10 to 12 minutes. For the pesto itself, it's really healthy because there's very much ingredients in here, actually the basil and the parsley and the tomatoes. So for your diets, and then you occasionally dinner or lunch is very good for you at home and your family too. So while we're waiting for the water to boil, maybe we can make some pesto. First thing first, we put some almond. If you don't have almond, you can use walnuts, pine nuts, or anything else. It's really easy, just a walnut. And then the basil. And some salt, just a little. Pepper. 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is done. Let's put it in a blender. Okay. And then the most important things to make pesto is Parmesan cheese. And for freshness, just put some lemon juice. Okay. A little bit of parsley. We're gonna blend them. To make it smooth, we just add some olive oil for the pesto. Okay, the pesto is done, and then let's boil the pasta. Just wait for 10 to 12 minutes and then we prepare the cherry tomatoes first. Just cut in half of the cherry tomatoes. When it's all condiment is done and we just wait for the pasta to boil, let's preheat the oven. We prepare the parsley. Okay. First thing first, we put the pasta. Turn off the heat. Once that, just put right in. Okay, and then just put the pesto. Look at it. Let's mix it first. The pesto in the pasta. And the most interesting things with pasta is you can use the water. Until it all mix perfectly. Okay. And then we just put tomatoes. And then mozzarella cheese on top of it. I really like the cheese, so we put all of it. And then some almond nuts on top of it. A little bit of pepper. And then let's go bake it. We just wait for about 10 minutes until it's all baked. Ooh. Okay. And just to put garnish on it, some parsley. A little bit olive oil. And some Parmesan cheese. And then it's done. Creamy pesto pasta bite.